Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Please like, share and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section.
How to make cauliflower with cheese topping. Contains 2,371 calories. Ingredients needed. 1. 1 head of cauliflower. 2. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. 3. 1½ teaspoons of mustard. 4. 3/4 cup of cheddar cheese.
If you're still watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and leave a comment. Feel free to ask questions.